In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an image inside of text in Google Slides. This technique can add a dynamic and visually appealing touch to your presentations, making your slides stand out. So let's dive in straight away and get started. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Google Slides. You'll need to sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Google Slides homepage. Here you'll see any presentations you might have already created. For our task today, go ahead and click on Blank Presentation. This will provide us with a fresh canvas to work on and keep things organized and simple. Now we're on a blank slide, ready to start. The next step is to click on the Insert menu at the top of the page. You'll see several options drop down, but for our task today, we want to select Word Art. Word Art is a really handy feature that allows us to create text with unique and customizable styling. Once you've clicked on Word Art, a text box will appear where you can type in the word or phrase you'd like the image to fill. Enter your desired text and press Enter or Return on your keyboard. Your text will now appear on the slide in a bold outline, ready for some creative touch. Here comes the fun part, placing the image inside the text. Click on the Word Art text to ensure it's selected. You should see blue squares at each corner and side, indicating it's ready to be modified. Next, navigate to the Format options in the toolbar, which will open a side panel with customization settings. From here, scroll down and find the Fill Color option. Instead of choosing a regular color, we'll opt for a more exciting feature, an image fill. To do this, click on the Fill Color and look for the Image option. You can either upload an image from your computer or search the web for the perfect picture that suits your presentation and style. Select your image and click Insert. And just like that, the image will fill the text, creating a stunning effect that highlights your creativity. You can adjust the size or reposition your text to fit your slide design perfectly. Remember, this technique doesn't just limit you to backgrounds and themes, it can be a great way to bring attention to key points or titles on your slides. And there you have it, you've successfully placed an image inside of text on Google Slides. Experiment with different images and text to see what combinations work best for your slideshow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been a helpful guide in spicing up your presentations. Feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.